Balaji is calling us from Madurai. Balaji, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Hey, hi Alex. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am the regular viewer of the show. I appreciate the way you conduct the show, actually.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to us. Please go ahead.
Okay. Right now, I have a question regarding the US tariff on India, about 25%. Is it the good time to enter into the pharma stocks like Dr. Reddy?
Okay, so Dr. Reddy's is one that you've identified. Have you looked at any others?
No. One I have in mind is Piramal Pharma. I don't know how much they are exposed to US market.
Okay. So let me take a broad question on pharmaceuticals to Saurabh then. Saurabh, we're unclear about where tariffs will end, and in fact, you have a very interesting statement that was made by Donald Trump either yesterday or early today, I'm not sure when, but he's talking about having brought drug prices down by 1,500%. I do not know how that is possible because that would imply that he's reduced drug prices and he's given people money to take those drugs. But a lot of the companies have actually written over the weekend and said that they've received no letters from the US, as was suggested at the end of last week, to bring prices down. But the point is that a lot of these US focused firms are facing uncertainty. Would you buy any of these as a contra?
I won't. Actually, the US has already sent some letters to the companies who are the drug innovators to cool off their prices, because they are selling, according to them, they are selling their drugs at much lesser price to maybe Europe or some other countries. But the things are pretty not clear.
But Saurabh, I'm sorry, I just want to clarify. There are a couple of companies, Cipla as well as Lupin, that have sent out to the exchanges over the weekend that they have received no such letters. So the companies are saying that they have not received any communications.
See, maybe US has sent letters to the companies who are there in the US only. We can't comment on it. But yes, there is one opinion that maybe some Indian companies who are mostly dealing in the generics versions are already sending their medicines at a lower price to the US, and those companies will not be. There will not be a much threat to those companies, because what US is doing, they are targeting the innovators whose drug prices are much higher than they believe from what they are selling to the other countries. So with respect to the tariff also, there is not much clarity. I would rather refrain and will not do any kind of a contra buying in the pharma.
Okay, all right. So that's Saurav's view on the pharmaceutical space. By the way, CDMO companies have actually been doing reasonably well, and a lot of people are now betting on India-focused pharmaceutical companies, also companies that play in the chronic space. So if you are studying companies in the pharmaceutical space, these are companies that you should perhaps look at and shortlist. When the opportunity arises, you might want to look at them. And of course, we'll talk about that in the times to come as well.